Hi everyone, this weekend and today I'm going to show you how to change the background to portrait mode, and this is the step-by-step how to do it. Check the before and after. So let's get into it. So there's a second image here. You can see the background, okay, and this is the first background and this is the second background. Okay, so we're going to cut this. Okay, we're going to remove the background. So we'll move to select and it comes to subjects. So let's just wait for a second. Okay, that's it. So I think it's just reach to the side, so I'm going to choose the selection brush tool, or you can use the quick selection tool. Okay, so I'm going to use this one and I'm going to take it from this side, and then you hit Ctrl+J, and then you delete the second image. So we're going to keep this one. Okay, so you're going to push it to arrange it to be around here. So that's now we're going to blur the background. You're going to use the background image. You're going to blur it. So we're going to use the rectangle tool to just select it. So when you're done with it, then you move to filter, blur, or you can just use display, okay, and move to the tilt blur. So this is what it's going to give you. Okay, so you're going to stretch this to the top here, and I'm going to push this to the side. Okay, so you can see before and after, before and after. So when you're done with it, hit OK. That's it. So when you hit OK, we're going to change this first color to, let's push it to yellow. We just need the light yellow color, okay, because we want to build some light here. So you're gonna hit OK, and then we'll come to the gradients. So this part, so we're going to change the style to the second one, and I'm going to reduce the scale. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. So I'm going to flip this to the top here. Okay, as you can see. So when you're done with this, hit Ctrl+E to add them together, E to add them together, and Ctrl+J to duplicate it, or you can use the shortcut here to duplicate it. So when you're done, move to filter, camera raw filter. So here we're going to change everything, okay, because we need to use the blacks and the contrast to just control to get everything correct. So I'm going to push the black to around 44, and I'm going to push the contrast to be around, let's say 40 or 41, and let's check the before and after. So I think this one is cool, and I'm going to take the white to be around 12 and the shadow to be around 21. So we're going to move to the optics, and I'm going to push this to around this side, but not too much. So you're going to use this to cover everything we just need right now. And sometimes too, you can try this. Okay, you can try the tilt or the temperature to correct it. So I'm going to add the temperature to +1. Okay, so you can see the difference now, before and after, before and after. And we're going to move to detail. So the detail, I'm going to use the noise reduction to just take it to be around 45, and the shadow to be around, let's say 57. And you can see the difference now, before and after, before and after. So that is it. It's a very simple thing to do. So guys, if you need more videos like this, click here. I'm going to draw more videos like this. See you for the next video. Bye.